Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you just so happen to be stopping by for the very first time, my name is Donella and this is my world of makeup here on YouTube. Now you guys know last week I was supposed to kickstart my Smokey series. However, given the current events that are happening globally, I decided to just throw in a summer makeup tutorial, between the. So as I said during that video, I am going to be doing a part 2 only because I didn't actually get the look that I wanted to create, which was unfortunate, but nonetheless, the more summer makeup tutorial, the merrier. That's just how I look at it. So if you are interested in seeing what I create in this video, then please stay tuned. Alright, so I started off by priming my eyelids using the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer. I think that is Warm Honey. Next, I'm going to go in with a nude color, which is called Nudist. Alright guys, so I'm back and I'm just going to run through real quick what I did on this eye. I wasn't going to do a typical black smoky eye. I really wanted to start up with something that was a little bit more on the colorful side. I know some persons, when you talk about smoky, your mind automatically gravitates toward black, or maybe something more on the deep brown bronzy side. There are lots of colors that you can play up with and turn them into smoky looks, and I love creating a purple smoky eye because I think there's something very regal and royal about the color purple. So I decided to use the color purple as my first smoky eye look. So I'm going to start off by using this color from my Artist Couture palette, this color right here, which is called Nudist. I'm going to use that as my first transitioning color, not for anything that is perfect or anything. I'm really using Nudist to kind of just set the concealer in place because I know it's going to crease. Next, I'm going to go into this color right here, which is this deeper brown shade just below Nudist, which is called Aesthetic, and I'm just going to use that to apply just a bit of that in my crease, and that's just going to be my second transition color. I'm going to go into my Charity Beauty Smoke palette and I'm going to go into this shade of purple right here, and I'm basically going to be using this shade of purple as my first purple shade just to kick things off. So let me just apply that to my lid. And I'm actually applying this in pressing motion just because of it's a really matte purple eyeshadow, and in order for me to get the color that I want, I had to actually go in with pressing motions versus wiping motions. And then right after that, what I did is that I applied a bit more of the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer right there in the middle, because what I'm going to do next is go into another Charity Beauty palette. This one is, do I have this tone? Another Charity Beauty palette. This one is a matte palette. I'm going to go into this shade of purple right here using the same brush. I'm just going to flip it on the other side, and I'm just going to add that purple right dab there in the middle. This is exactly what I did on this eye over here. I'm just going to add it right smack dab in the middle. And then what I did is that I took this small angled brush and just dipped it in the same bluish purple color from the Charity Matte palette, and I just basically pressed it in the crease and just started to basically bring it up and then blend it out. Immediately after that, I went into my Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini palette and I chose the color Nikita, which is this purple shade right here, and I just added a bit of Nikita right over those two colors that I applied right on my lid, just to give it a bit more oomph and to kick up the purple color a bit. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lashes using my MAC paint pot, and then I'm going to be adding these lashes. I actually got these lashes from, was it Lucky? Yeah, Lucky's Cosmetics. It's a 3D lash. I'm not really sure if I like the texture of this, but it works for now, so let me just go ahead and do that. Now that that's completed, I'm actually going in with my Black Opal foundation stick. My shade is the shade Carab. So I'm actually just putting on just a little bit more in this area right here. I love this foundation stick. It just gives you a nice soft velvety finish. I love that. And then I'm going in with one to use next? I'm thinking of using this concealer from Elf. It's the 16-hour Camo concealer. It's a matte finish concealer. I bought the shade Chestnut. I haven't used this foundation, sorry, I haven't used this concealer yet, but I'm going to go in with this one from Too Faced first to hide these dark circles underneath my eyes first before I go in with the one from Elf. I went in immediately after and blended out Spice Rum, but I'm going to allow the Chestnut from Elf, this concealer, to dry down a bit before I blend it out. So I'm going to apply it real quick. I'll leave it on for 1 minute and then blend it out. So let me just, I don't want to put too much of this because when I'm using something for the first time, I'm not sure if it's going to be like, ooh, if it's going to be like, so let me just leave that. I think this is enough for now. Let me apply a cream contour. I think I'm going to apply a cream contour while this is drying down. Let me apply another one of my Black Opal foundation stick. This one is Black Walnut. Do I want a Black Walnut? Maybe I should use the Ebony. What is it called? Ebony Bronze or Ebony Brown? I think it's Ebony Brown. Yeah, Ebony Brown. Let me use Ebony Brown. Ooh, Ebony Brown is all the way down there. She is done. So I'll have to use a brush to get some out. Apply that to my contour. Apply that to my jawline, sorry. A little bit here, a little bit here, and along the jawline. Alright, I think I have like 30 seconds left. I don't normally do this, but I think I'm going to do this for this tutorial. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream contour to my nose. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Then I'm going to blend it downwards right. I'm not going to allow it to dry down, I'm just going to blend it out right away. Not too shabby. And according to what I'm seeing over here, the minute is up, so it's time to blend everything out. I'm going to start off with, actually, I'm sorry, just gonna turn this around real quick. I'm gonna start off with blending out the concealer underneath my eye. Oh wow, oh my goodness, you know what I'm seeing here? It dried down quicker than I expected. Oh my goodness, Lord, give me a second here before I start to look all types of crazy. I'll blend this out real quick. My translucent powders and set that because yeah, that concealer really dried down real quick. See, this is one of the reasons why I was saying when I'm using something for the first time, I have to be real careful. So since I already went in with the 3 powders, you guys would have seen the 3 powders routine that I did in the last tutorial. I already put on the one from MAC and the 2 from Fenty. So I'm going in next with this one from Black Opal. I'm just going to apply, and I'm just going to apply this right here on my jawline. Set my cream contour. So I'm thinking of course going in with, I think I'm going to go back to using the Chocolate Litty. So I'm going to go in with Chocolate Litty first from Prime Beauty, and then I'm going to go over it with a cream blush, sorry. So let me just contour my face just a little bit more and just sculpt it up just a little bit more with Chocolate Litty. Wow, I think I took up a little bit too much over on this side. I might have to blend that out with my sponge. Yeah, that went a little bit too heavy, girl. So let me just blend that out with my sponge real quick. I'm thinking of actually doing a drop shadow. Should I? Yeah, I'm thinking of doing a drop shadow for real though, for real. You know, it's because yeah, just to kick things up for now. Let's do a drop shadow. I already went in with my BH Cosmetics cream blush. So next I'm going to go in with a bit of Conceited. I wonder if I should, or if I should go back to that highlight from the Black Radiance palette. Let me try using Conceited first and see how that works out. Okay, yeah, I'm liking Conceited. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to Conceited. I like this. Doing this, we are just going to be sticking to a neutral lip. So let me get out this very pinky brown matte lipstick from Milani. And then we're going to top things off with this color from Artist Couture. This one is called Shameless. Just gonna top it off with this. Set everything in place. Same thing, I'm going to go in with my Basha white charcoal setting spray. Spray it on my beauty blender because, yeah, when it's like this all the way down here, I feel like it doesn't spray on the face properly. It's probably one of the best setting sprays to use during the summer months if you have oily skin. I'm back and this is a completed look. It is a very simple purple smoky eye. I'm sure anybody, even if you're a beginner, I'm sure you can create this. All you guys saw is that I use different tones and textures of purple to create this look. It's very simple. It was basically one color. Was it? No, 3 colors, I'm sorry, because I used 2 transitioning colors, a very nude color, and then I went a little bit more on the brown side, and then I played up with 3 shades of purple. So yeah, it's very simple. I'm sure if you're a beginner, you could actually create this very simple smoky eye. So I'm hoping that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up on your way out. It is the first in my series of my Smokey series, so you guys have to subscribe to my channel so you guys can be informed as to when I upload my next video and my future videos, of course. By the way, if you happen to have a video in mind or a tutorial in mind that you want me to film, then please drop me a comment down in the comment section and let me know. Until my next upload, I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.